Welcome to the final challenge of this section. In this challenge, you know how there are video games that assign different player colors, right? Like if you're playing Super Smash Brothers, you can be the blue Kirby. This challenge is going to involve something like that, where I'm going to ask you to create an array of 5 different colors, create a custom return method to generate a random index number between 1 and 5, and then set a game object to that chosen color. Okay, so let's hop into Unity really quickly, and I'm going to set you up for that. So here we are in Unity, and just pick one of these game objects to use. So for me, maybe I'm going to use this capsule. And here, I've emptied out our main script. So on this script, what I'd like you to do is create an array of 5 colors. And you can pick whatever those colors are. And then I'd like you to create a custom method to return an index between 1 and 5. So like the length of your array of colors. And then based on that index that was chosen, set the color of your capsule, or whatever game object this is attached to that color based on the index. And make sure that you have a game object like that and that this script is attached to that game object. But that's it. That's your challenge. So do your best with this one. Go ahead and pause the video here. And if you get stuck, don't worry. I will show you a solution in just a second. Okay, pause the video. All right, hopefully you paused the video here. Hopefully you figured out a solution to this. And if not, no worries. I'm going to show you a solution right now. So let's create an array of 5 colors, right? So I'm going to set that to be public just so we can see it. And we're going to say it's a color array, and let's just call this player colors. And I think we can actually just hop into Unity and assign those in the inspector. So on our capsule here, we have our player colors array, and it's currently empty, but if we set that to 5, now we have 5 color pickers. So I can choose in here 5 different colors. Sweet. So green, purple, red, orange, and yellow. Cool. So these will be the 5 different colors that our player could look like. Now that we have that array, let's go ahead and create a custom method to return an index, right? And that's going to be an integer. So let's maybe call it like int get random index. And all it's going to do is it's going to return a random number between random.range between 0 and the length of our color. So we can say player colors.length. And remember, it's 0 because arrays, the very first element starts at 0. Now in start, let's go ahead and create a temporary variable called int color index, and that's going to equal get random index. And lastly, we can assign our color to that. So we can say GameObject.getComponent, component, the mesh renderer, and initialize that, go farther in, get the material, the color, and set that equal to player colors subindex color index. We can probably do that even simpler by not even using this integer right here and just saying player colors subindex get random index. And this should randomly return an index at start. Our game object should be that color. All right, let's save our script, hop into Unity, and test it out. Awesome! And our capsule has been assigned to this like mustardy mac and cheese kind of orange. Perfect. And if I hit play one more time, it should pick a different color. It was orange again? Okay, wait, let's try one more time. And there we go. This time around, it's on the red team. Okay, perfect. Good job with this, and good job in this section. In the next section, we're going to get into something called coroutines that are really useful for handling sequences of events. Okay, see you in the next section.